Big frost on the ground in Appalachia this morning, finally. First one I've seen. Let's go kill some big buck. Power lines above us right here and right around this point. We're really on both sides of the tracks. That big bottom's there, so we're gonna sneak down the tracks and get over on the edge of the bank and just look around here for a minute or two. Listen, let's jump to deer. Look right here. See it? Another one just come across the point right there and seen me. Running in the woods up there. That makes like 3 deer I've seen since I stepped off the tracks. That sounds like a buck. Yeah, it's already growing in the tree. There's a road right there, I'm pretty positive. And I bet that drain right over there, that swag right there, is beautiful. And this power line goes for miles, man, around through here. Hell of a backup place. When I was walking up through here, I got to, just as soon as it crest, there was a deer here. It bolted and ran this way. Then I seen a couple over the hill. And then when I crested, there was another one standing right here in this road, I'd say. Straight back over the hill, you heard it blowing. But this tree stand right here. Is grew into the tree. And they took a self-climber and turned it into a lock-on. Now it's grew into that tree. There's no way it'll come loose. Let's look here. This sucker goes forever. Here comes another one over the ridge. That's a buck too. We gotta go. We gotta be careful not to jump one on our way over here. Get in the position somehow. That's where we got deer fighting down there. That's a buck rubbing a tree. They gotta be in this ditch right here in front of me. Ain't no way they smelt me or heard me. Ain't no freaking way, guys. Like, I don't know where the deer went. It's insane. See here? Yeah, it had a roof on it and everything. I tell you what, whoever done all this stuff with them tree stands, because I'd say whoever that belongs to, the one out here on the point, the same guy. They worked their ass off putting them up. This is a hell of a rub line. Look here, man. I wonder if that buck's been killed. There's an old one. There's an old one. And there's pieces of lumber. I'd say that in there might be safe. But whoever was in here hunting was dead after a damn deer now. I'd like to know the story of these stands I've found. It's a little one and a mama there.
Do you know where they're at? That's for sure.
What's your look? Okay, you can tell him deer ain't messed with. Got a life hack here. What we got here is a bag with cracked corn in it. It says heat me up. That's all it is basically chicken feed. Scratched corn, cracked corn. Aunt Kathy's one made this, right?
Yeah.
What you do is you put it in the microwave for how long?
I put it 2 minutes and 2 minutes, flip it over, and then do 2 minutes.
2 minutes on each side.
Yeah.
Let that heat up. And what it is a hell of a damn heat pad. I mean freaking good one.
It stays hot too.
And just flip it over.
Yeah, just flip it over.
Get that bad boy out, and right there, crazy, works freaking great.